lovelies, welcome back to my channel and welcome to part 4 of my room transformation series. So we are nearing the end of this series, and that is because I think I have about 1 or 2 more videos planned. After this, there's probably going to be like an overall room transformation video where it includes little bits of everything and then the room tour. But today in part 4 of the series, we are going to be cleaning out my closet again. Hopefully this is the last time I do it for a long time. And obviously every once in a while I will have to tidy it up just so I can maintain it. But besides that, hopefully this is the last time I have to do a deep clean on my closet for at least another 6 months or a year. I hope. My closet honestly isn't the worst it's been, but it's also still really messy. My goals for today are to move the K-pop albums that need to be moved out of there and put them underneath my bed. Anything that's loose basically, so like my Universe album, some Stray Kids, some NCT, some Shiny, those need to go underneath my bed. Then I also want to reorganize my plushies, get rid of some clothes, reorganize my clothes, reorganize the shelf that's in there that has K-pop stuff and clothes, and also just make my closet more accessible because right now I have to move things to get into certain parts of my closet, and that's really frustrating. So hopefully I can get that done by the end of today and end of tomorrow. I'm really hoping it won't take me too long. I really want to get it done today because I am going to be packing for my trip that's coming up. So I want to have my closet clean so I can see all my clothes and whatnot. I'm gonna stop talking and let me just show you what my closet currently looks like. When I said this is not the worst it's been, I mean it. It has been a lot worse than this, and this is pretty bad. The situation we have right now is I just have a bunch of K-pop stuff right here that needs to go under my bed. I need to organize this. I need to organize this area. These are clothes. I need to put ones I don't wear too much up in these bins, but I need to get rid of clothes that are up in these bins because I don't wear them. Like anything that's at like the bottom of the bins I don't wear, so I need to get rid of those. I need to go through this little drawer thing right here and get rid of some stuff in there. Need to organize my plushies, just deal with all this. Need to organize that K-pop shelf a little bit. This just needs to look so much better by the end of this video. I think I'm just gonna start with taking all of my clothes out and putting them on my bed so then this space can be open and I won't feel crowded working with the plushies or any of my K-pop stuff that is underneath there. Let's get started. This is what my closet looks like without all the clothes hanging up. Now that I'm done with that, I think I'm going to start taking things from here and putting some of this stuff underneath my bed in the bins down here. It's the whole reason why I did that, cleaning out underneath my bed so I could have space for this. But I do want to leave my ZB1 stuff in here. I'm going to make a cute little like ZB1 shelf in here of the stuff that I don't display on these shelves. Start up here and make my way down. So many of these Never Say Never albums. I'm trying to get POBs at K-pop Nerd, Target, and Barnes & Noble. I think there's more than this too, like in the actual shelf. Holy moly. Time for me to put all these albums that I got from my closet in this bin. When I didn't have space in my bins, I put all my old albums on the shelf in here because I had no space in here, but now I'm running out of space in there for all my ZB1 stuff. So now I'm just putting all my olds like IVE, Universe, Extraordinary Heroes, NCT, Woods, Shiny, things like that into this bin. I like to keep my Olts albums in the same bin just so I can keep track of where all of the albums are, because they are my Olts, so I want to keep them in a little bit of a safer area. I have 3 Universe albums. I'm gonna keep my signed one out and probably display it in there. The other 2 can go in here. Shiny. There's still space in here for other stuff. Not like a whole lot of space. There is some space, but I do have more things I need to go through in here. So maybe this bin will be full by the end of this. I don't know. If you guys remember the bin from the last video with all my K-pop albums in it that I want to get rid of, I think I'm gonna go ahead and put some new things in that bin. I have these 2 Funko Pops right here. The Jin one I got because Jin is my bias. The V one I got because I wanted to paint it and make it look like Hyunjin from Maniac, but I just don't think that's gonna happen anytime soon, so I want to see if I can try selling these maybe. And then I have this like Leebit cup cover that I got in a pack, like a Stray Kids mystery pack from Sub K Shop, and I have never used this, so I'm gonna go put those in the bin here in a bit. But I have a lot of K-pop stuff I just don't need anymore, and I'd rather go to someone who does want it. So hopefully I can sell these to someone who wants them. Now that I am done clearing out my clothes that were hanging up and stuff that was on top and around this shelf, I'm going to be working on this area down here. I'm just going to reorganize that, and then once I'm done with that, I'm going to reorganize the shelf space. Once I'm done with that, then I'm going to go through my clothes, see what I want to keep, see what I want to get rid of, because that's going to take the longest. I have a garbage bag here for the clothes that I want to get rid of. Also, excuse my hair. It's a little crazy right now. But anyways, I have a garbage bag here for the clothes that I want to get rid of. Hopefully I can get rid of quite a few. I want to try and sell them on like Mercari, Depop, something like that. And if not, then I will just donate them. The goal for today is to make my closet feel less crowded. So hopefully I can do that. I'm probably also going to be getting rid of some other things besides my clothes, because I just have so much and I don't need all of it. So let's just get started on that, because it is already like 5. I started this way late in the day. I've been doing other things today. Started this way late, so I just need to keep going. Reorganized my ZB1 shelf in here, and it looks so much better. I put my signed Hyunjin on display for right now. It's probably gonna go on my actual shelves later, but now I'm gonna go through that, put stuff back here, and then start working with the clothes up here. So it has obviously been a few hours. You can probably tell by the lighting in my room, but I just reorganized this space. I actually did want to clear this space off completely so I could have more room for like smaller shirts right up here, but I think this is gonna have to do because I have nowhere else to put this stuff right here. I had a bunch of Picket slogans and things like that right here that I'm hoping I can clear out one of the bins at the top of my closet and put that stuff in there. So my room still is a mess. Haven't made much progress, but I need to get at least my floor clean before tonight. I have decided I can't get anything done in my closet until I start clearing clothes out, because I have to put some stuff in the bins and I have to take some things off of hangers so I can put the clothes I actually want to keep on the hangers. So I have my first bin right here full of clothes, and I'm gonna go through it, see what I want to keep, see what I want to get rid of, and then we'll just continue from there, keep going through the bins. It is now the next day, and I have put all of my bins back up. They are so much more organized than they were, and then I also put my Pickets, slogans, and things like that in a box on top of one of the bins. Forgot that I was going to make one of the bins open to put that stuff in there. Then I filled up the bin, and I need that space, otherwise this would be overflowing again. This is what my room looks like. It is so much better than what it looked like this morning. You could barely walk in my room this morning. Now I just need to go through all of these clothes and like organize them and put them back up where they belong.